What's up, everybody? Craner here. Today we're going to see what's the difference between a 80s car and today's car. So let's go get started. Right here, I'm going to be showing you guys this 1983 GMC Sierra 1500. This thing has been sitting outside for the past 5 years because the trans blew. But we're going to go check out the outside and the interior. Now, I have no idea how to operate this old car. I know how to operate 2000s cars, but not this old one. This thing has an engine in it, obviously. The trans blew. There's a little sign that's cracked. I think it's... Down behind it says that it's a GMC. Oh, it does. This thing does have the Chevrolet grill. It's because this thing got to a wreck, so yeah, my cousin's dad had to replace it with a Chevrolet and the Chevrolet grill and the tailgate. This thing is has a super long bed because it's a single cab. As we look behind here, I think the bumper is not stock. It's actually, this was actually falling apart, but if you open it. And there's your tailgate. You guys can sit on it. Not gonna lie, it's actually pretty comfortable. And there's the back of it. So this truck is basically like one of those trucks where you have to pull a handle to latch it back in. And then you go look on the inside. There it is. And the train is blue. There's literally so many miles on it. Not stock stereo. It's literally in the middle. There's your gauges over here. Door handle. Oh, your lock and power windows. Back in '83, you did not have power windows. But it is. But yeah, that's the inside. And then we're gonna go to today's car. So we're just gonna walk over here. That right there is a 1983 GMC 1500 Sierra. This is a 2020 Lincoln Aviator. So this thing is an engine. The trans has not ballooned. It's like on 50,000 miles. Inside of it, oh my God, this thing's nice. This thing's super nice. You have your steering wheel, not stock radio. Alright, so I want you guys to comment on my video and see which one is better, the old truck or the new car. I personally think the old truck is better since it's got some nostalgia in it. And it could actually run for a long time. But that's just my opinion. Leave your opinions in the comments.